Me always try to pay for it.
Shut him out when you eat. The fork, please. Oh, get one.
Guys, please like the page.
What you make him run? You just let him run. Wow, this is so good. Sir, this is really good.
Thank you.
I don't think I want the bami no more.
You already made it.
You have to make it from scratch?
You already made the bun, right?
No.
Oh, don't make it no more. That's too much.
You make the festival and for Rosealee still near, but
Oh, so give it to her.
yes, you can give her 2, please.
Okay, I didn't know.
And give him 1.
Oh, you didn't make a lot?
Huh?
You want festival with that again?
Why?
Worry about the bill. What the problem?
The crab and end up in
Sometimes you know.
Have a drink.
my cranberry juice. Please.
Too much.
May I have a chop up on it?
No, you're dealing with him too rough.
We can go Hellshire, we can go blood clot Hellshire, and we can go bomb clot Port Royal. Come here, blood clot money, Mr. Right. Because we want blood clot, go. No, tell me a blood clot. Look how fuck I'm gonna have a blood clot name.
Listen.
Yeah, we just stick in Rosealee. Just if you have big wheel. That's why I do blood clot all harder. Yeah, big and ugly blood clot, yeah.
I fish, we can't eat. Stop it, Rose, stop it. Derek, relax. You wanna... Whatever. Listen, the plan was for him, me and Rose to go out. But obviously, they don't talk. So, me and Rose come out first, and then I'm gonna bring him out. Like, it's not a big deal.
I'm saying I bring him back to school. Don't everybody turn back, you bring him back to school. Everybody man feed the work and beg cut the and feed our chicken. You can't chat to me, Rosealee. Eh? Don't do chama, you cut chama for food. Everybody feed you. Remember, everybody man, it's a feed you, Rosealee. You forgot out a river.